10 types of men women never leave, and how to be that guy. 1. A man who doesn't give a fuck. When you're unbothered, she's obsessed. The second she realizes your world doesn't revolve around her, she'll do everything to stay in your orbit. Most men panic when she pulls away. You stay cool, detached, and in control. That's what makes her chase. 2. A man who walks away without a second thought. Most men beg when she pulls away. You pack your shit and move on like she never mattered. And that's when she comes running back crying about missing you. Women don't respect desperation, they respect strength. 3. A man who treats her like an option. The guys who act like kings never chase. You text her back when you feel like it, take her out when you want, and suddenly, she's trying harder to prove herself to you. The less available you are, the more she values your time. 4. A man who keeps other women in her face. She'll cry, throw fits, and call you a player. But if she knows other women want you, she'll never let you go. Instead, she'll fight harder for your attention. Jealousy isn't toxic. It's a tool when used right. 5. A man who checks her disloyalty the moment it happens. She flirts with some dude at the bar. You walk out without a word. She hides her phone. You cut her off for 3 days. She'll fear losing you more than she loves testing you. Set boundaries early, or she'll walk all over you. 6. A man who treats her feelings like a suggestion, not a command. She cries about something dumb. That's life, babe. She throws a tantrum. You shrug. Women stay with men who won't bend to their emotional games. Be the rock, not the emotional sponge. 7. A man who never makes her the center of his world. You've got a grind, a mission, a life that doesn't revolve around her. She sees your ambition and knows she'll never find another man like you. So she clings harder, because she knows you're going places with or without her. 8. A man who keeps her guessing. You're unpredictable. She never knows what you'll say, do, or feel next. Women don't leave excitement, they leave routine. Stay ahead of her mind games by keeping her on her toes. 9. A man who doesn't tolerate her faking bullshit. She tries to guilt trip you. You laugh and say, not happening. She threatens to leave. You open the door. Women crave boundaries from men who won't fold. The firmer you stand, the harder she'll try to please you. The 10th. A man who's always ready to replace her. You know your worth. If she steps out of line, you're already mentally moving on to the next girl. That unshakable confidence keeps her locked in and terrified of losing you. If you found this video valuable, smash that like button. It helps more men see this content. Drop a comment below. Which of these 10 types do you relate to the most? And if you're serious about leveling up your game, subscribe right now. We drop raw, unfiltered strategies every week to help you become the man women chase, not the one begging for attention. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next video, where we break down how to make her obsessed with you. Until then, stay dominant.